make money in this modern world? You know what? Andrew Tate reveals it all in this video. Zimbopreneur reacts to it. If Napoleon Hills, who wrote this book, Think and Grow Rich, went to the devil himself to ask for the secret of success, what stops you from listening to Andrew Tate? Just Andrew Tate, no matter you hate him or like him, just listen to this guy as he reveals it all. How to make money today.
You serious?
Let me not waste much of my time and your time. Let's get to it.
Do you have a little bit of a system you can share on how to make money? I know we've got cobratate.com. We'll keep shouting it out. But any tips for someone who's ready, but they don't yet know the how?
Completely. So we teach it inside of the real world, of course. I keep mentioning it because it's so important. But there are 3 keys, I believe, to making money. The word of the day.
3 keys, according to Andrew Tate, of making money.
First one's perspicacity. Most people go through life and they do not pay attention. I've said this before and I want to stick by it because it's so important. You need to pay attention to every single time you spend money because you cannot make money. You're not the Federal Reserve, you're not a government. Governments make money. All of us take money from somebody else or a business or a government. We take money from other things. So the easiest way to learn how to get good at taking money is to pay attention to every time someone takes money from you. So next time you buy a coffee, don't just buy the coffee and drink it and think nothing of it like every brokey. Don't do that. Say, okay, why am I buying this coffee? Okay, I want a coffee. All right. Why am I buying here? Well, this is on my way to work. Is there any competition around? Do I also want breakfast? Do they sell breakfast?
To understand the flow of money, okay? Who's paying? Who's receiving? What's happening, okay? Your eyes should be locked in the streets, understanding where money is coming and where money is going. Just that, okay? Pay attention. That's what Andrew Tate is saying. The first thing that you need to do is pay attention and look at how much money is moving around. Wherever you are in the world, no matter where, money is moving. Pay attention. Look at how it is flowing, okay? From those ends to those ends and why. Like this example that he wants to use where he's about to buy coffee, right? He's just buying coffee. And within the experience of buying coffee, he's looking at how money is moving. Why is he buying this coffee? What's up? The movement of money. So you need to pay attention to the movement of money. Wherever you are, pay attention to the movement of money. Let's get to it.
No, they don't sell breakfast. They could probably make some more money if they're selling breakfast. Anyway, I walk in, there's a long line. Why is there 1 member of staff? I'm low on time. I'm about to leave and not buy the coffee. They're about to lose money because it's taking too long. Most of the people in this line are businessmen. Why is there not a cute girl behind the counter? I bet if they paid a cute girl a little bit more, they'd still make a bunch more money because people come in here to talk to her. Think.
You see, so now he's talking about innovating, okay? Wherever money is moving, when you get there, just look at what can I do to take this money? You know, I can see money is moving from this point to that point. How can I get myself, how can I put myself in line with this money, right?
And then what you'll do is, as you go through life, every time you spend money, is you'll realize the problem is not how to make money. The problem is how much time you have, because there's endless business ideas. There's endless ideas.
Yes, there are endless business ideas. It doesn't matter if you say, I have great ideas. It's not about ideas, okay? It's not about ideas. It's about the flow of money, okay? Do people want? Where is the money coming from and where is it going? Okay? Basically, that's what you need to lock your eyes on. The money, where the money is coming from and who's got the money and where is it going? So that you situate yourself, so that you position yourself around the money.
Ideas. I walk into a coffee shop, and by the time I've walked out, I already know exactly how to open up next door and outcompete them head to toe. I already have worked out how much is the rent, where are they fucking up, what are they not selling they should be selling, what are they doing good, what are they doing bad, this chair's too hard, I'll wreck them. And I'll send it, and now my network is so powerful, which is the second point, network, I can send a few messages on WhatsApp and make a bank transfer. And 2 months later, there's a brand new coffee shop next door.
One is pay attention. Pay attention.
So the first thing is you have to pay attention. Because if you pay attention, you'll start to learn that money is everywhere. Every building is owned. These are skyscrapers, bro. Billions. Every apartment nowadays is a million. Million. You drive down a street in London, you're driving past trillions of dollars. There's money everywhere. It's all around us. When I was broke, I thought that the world was broke. I thought that there was no money. And then I got rich and realized that I was completely and utterly wrong. There's so much money. It's everywhere.
Number one is pay attention, okay? Then number two, the network, your surrounding, the people around you. Let's see what Andrew Tate has got to say about this.
I'm very good at taking it. So you need to start paying attention. It's the first thing. Second thing is network. It's hard to make money if you don't know anybody who has money. If you sit in a room full of ice cream experts and all they talk about is ice cream, how to make ice cream, the different flavors, how to store it, how to move it, how to sell it, even by accident, if you hang around with these people long enough, when someone asks you a question about ice cream, that's where you're gonna know the answer. You're gonna say, you know what? That's because it's pistachio, and that needs to be 2 degrees higher than chocolate. And you're gonna look like a smart ass. So if you sit in a room full of people who are making a bunch of money, everyone understands this. Your network is your net worth. You're the sum of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Everybody understands this. And then they still hang around with fucking losers.
Bang. Sounds so cliche. It sounds like an Instagram quote, but it's just clear. Okay? Your environment, the people around you, the people you spend most time with, the things that you talk about, the things that surrounds you, right? Influence your outwards outcome. Okay? Simple and straightforward. So if you hang out with losers, you're gonna be a loser. If you hang out with winners, you're just gonna be a winner. It will just rub it in. You know, the energy will just flow directly to you. So that's number 2.
You're right. I am the sum of the 5 people I spend the most time with. Anyway, this is my friend Nick. He's so funny when we go drinking because he gets really drunk. Losers. I don't talk to anybody who is not winning. Everybody whose phone, every phone call I will answer, if I answer a phone call, it is from a winner. I don't talk to losers. Everyone I talk to is rich. Everyone I talk to is making money. Everybody. If my entire reality is full of multimillionaires making money, how am I not going to make money? And this is why network is so important, is because it's the same reason that wolves hunt in packs. If you're a lone animal, you have one set of eyes. But if you're a pack, you're watching every single angle, every single.
So networking, the people that's around you, the people that you hang out with, the information that is around your circle will just make a difference.
The unfortunate reality about money is that you are competing. So it's player versus player. It's like anything in the world. If you want that beautiful girl, so does everyone else. You have to win the competition. You want that car, you have to get it first. You want that money, everyone wants that money. You have to compete. It's competitive. Business is competitive. You are competing against people like me. You're competing against people like the people in my network. You're competing about people who only talk about money, who understand money very well, who operate in jurisdictions all around the planet, who are extremely well connected, who know things before you know them, who have mass influence and mass power and mass resource. You're competing against me. This is what you must understand. You're not waking up going, I want to make some money. You're competing against people like me.
Business is all about competition, okay? So whoever gets it first, whoever has the best product is the one that wins, okay? So no matter what you do in business, just know that you need to be the best. You just need to be the best in what you do. It's competition. It is what it is. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
You're competing against billionaires, you're competing against hedge funds. How did these hedge funds keep growing? Where are they getting that money from? From the brokies. They're robbing you. They're robbing all the poor people from the pension fund, dummy. That's where they get it from. This is who you're competing against. So the competition is absolutely and utterly fierce. Understanding that you're a man with a small pistol up against.
This just reminds me of something that I've discovered about the stock exchange, the stock market. The stock market is just transferring money from those who win to those who lose. Basically, that's all what the stock market is. There are people who win and there are people who lose. The people who lose, they lose their money, they give it to the people who win. And the concept is just the same even in business. When you lose, someone is going to gain from that loss. College is a scam, and Andrew Tate had to go there. He just had to go there. This is what he said.
Yeah. Do your GCSEs, do your A-levels, get in debt, go to uni, get out, get a shit job, get a mortgage. Don't worry, when you pay that mortgage off when you're 61, then you'll have enough money to go to Spain for holiday. Then your pension comes. Oh, government doesn't have the pension money anymore, funny enough, hedge fund stole it.
Pay half your money in your life in tax.
Oops.
It's true. It's true. This is how our life is designed. This is how you need to do it. This is how you need to go through. This is the process. But this process won't make you rich. This process won't make you rich at all. At all. So basically, choose your own path. Choose the road less traveled.
Know this, right? When I pull up in one of my 30 cars to a gas station and people look at me and they see a Lambo or a Ferrari or a Bugatti or a Koenigsegg, whatever I'm driving, nobody goes, wow, he went to school. No, they think drug dealer, gangster. They're thinking he broke the rules, because anyone who follows the rules doesn't get shit. It's all a scam. It's all a fuck.
The thing is, you need to learn how to bend the rules. You need to learn how to use the rules into your own favor, okay? Not against you. It's not about just following the rules. It's about bending them. It's about using them to your own advantage, okay? The third one, don't follow the crowd, okay? Don't follow the crowd. Don't do what most people are doing. If you follow the crowd, you will just go with the crowd. You'll be ordinary. The truth is, the road to riches is the road less traveled. It's the road with less people. Don't follow the crowd. Basically, that's what he's saying. Even though it's Andrew Tate, he just has a funny way of saying things and just provocative ways of expressing his point of view. But don't follow the crowd. After watching this video, just go after your goals. Just do that. Just do that one thing. So, another thing is your ego. Your ego. This thing is stopping you from making money. This thing is stopping you from getting where you want. Ryan Holiday talks about the ego and how it gets in your way. This is a good read. Just take time to peruse this. Yeah, basically that's what Andrew Tate wants to say. But it's Andrew Tate, his way of expressing things in a different way. Watch.
Listen to anybody. I became world champion by listening to my coach. I didn't become world champion by walking in and saying, I'll do it myself. That's not how you get anywhere in life. You have to listen. If Mike Tyson were to walk in, or if Elon Musk were to walk in here and talk to me about money, I wouldn't be sitting there going, I can do that. I'd be like, oh, Mr. Elon, richest man in the world. Hello, very nice to meet you. Please, even though I already understand I don't want to launch a car brand or put rockets in space, please, you must know some things I don't know. How do you deal with the currency fluctuations? Does inflation impact how much it costs for you to send a rocket into space? Like, I'd ask him something that's useful, right? But some people are so brutally arrogant that they'll sit here and they'll listen to all the things I said, and they'll agree that I'm intelligent, and they'll agree I'm massively successful, but they'll sit there and go, yeah, but you know what? I'll do it myself.
I'll do it myself. I know how to do this. It's the ego, my brother. The ego, bro. Do something about your ego. Please read this book. It might help. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.